So box. What's up, Fab? Are you an esports player? No. No, I'm not. Are you? Day ruined at 7. Really, OX? Sub grand. Alright, guys. We got a couple things we gotta do today. We gotta get this little update out. I'm not gonna be doing the inventory for this update. Too much work, too much to do. It'll be next update. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start actually being like a game dev, and if shit isn't done by a deadline, let's push the next update. Fuck it. So inventory will be next update. But I'm gonna keep working on other things. Money. I think people care the most about furnace loot, money, and furnace loot, money, and uh, crystals and brand new crate. So that's what I'm gonna do anyways. Yes. Some deals, yes. And so first loot's actually coming today. I figured out a solution to this. So I'll tell you guys the problem while I work through this. So right now, or my idea was furnace loot will process every single time an ore is processed. Uh, However, because people can exploit, which is a little annoying. I don't really care about exploiters, but it's annoying because I want there to be a way to get paid items through this means. Because people can exploit, um fuck, sorry. So sorry. I just woke up. So I'm tripping. Because people can exploit, they could get all the stuff instantly. They could immediately just fire a million times or process. Whole leaderboard would be fucked up. It'd be whatever. So the new thing is going to be the server is going to spawn the ore and it's going to register the ore with a UID. This is going to stop almost all exploiters. It's not going to stop all of them. People will figure this out. But now you got to pass out a UID to process your ore, and then eventually exploiters are gonna really hate me because I'm gonna start saving all of your upgrades, and the server will validate if the upgrades are legit. So you'll be cooked. I'm not really doing this to defeat exploiters per se, because I don't really mind you getting the infinite cash. I am doing it though to defeat getting all the OP stuff that comes from furnace loot. So sorry. Okay, Kron. A money per second leaderboard would be cool. That's impossible right now. Okay, dude, is this a white guy? This is a white guy. You guys compare me to all these white guys. Fab. Fab. You could do whatever. You could do whatever the fuck you want. You look like LeBron, right? Really? Kid Mike for a second. Yeah, bro. I mean, dude, why would I care, dude? All those fighting exploits is a losing battle, and I don't really care about having money. All right, let's do this. I think we need to get player struct on the server. Owner. Yeah, well, dude, it gets really tricky because people can change their bases. A lot of people have been doing looping, so they build out their base, loop, and then they delete the next part. They add a new part and then delete the last part and then rebuild the next part. So it's really, really tough. What I think I'm gonna do is this. Um, I think you're gonna be able to pass in a the upgrade ID, which will just be some number, and then the amount of times it's been upgraded in a row. So if you use like 500 basic furnaces, it'll do 500 basic furnace upgrades first, and then it'll go to the next upgrade. Say you upgrade it twice with this upgrade. We'll say this is basic furnace or basic upgrader, and then this is like dirt blaster once, and then you did lambda 50, and then I'll have a timestamp. Timestamp equals number, and the timestamp has to be between create time and end time. The reason why you pass in the timestamp is not really to validate that the ore is moving, because an ore can move fast, it can whatever. It's more for seeding for random stuff like the lambda. So the lambda, because it's random, we need a way to figure out what the upgrade was in the client. So I think I'll pass in the timestamp, use that as a seed for the random, and then yeah, like a soft simulation traceback. Exactly, yeah. I still can't play your game. I promise, dude. It's moving up in players, so I might be able to. I might be able to get you guys in hopefully by the end of the week. But look, 85, 85 players. I love the original game and the new game's concept. I love drillbit. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I hope you can get in soon. I'm sorry that you can't play. But yeah, this will eventually be the server validation. I just gotta add it. Yeah, no, it's weird. It's weird because the game is doing really is doing like phenomenally in my opinion. No, you can't publish until you have 500 highly engaged players. It's a new Roblox update. Yeah, I think there are quite a few people, but there are a lot of people in the Discord that can't. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a brand new remote here. Create ore. Honestly, chat might be able to do this. Actually, chat might do this one tap. Um, navigate to the drillbit place file, dropper component, and add in server-sided spawning that tells the client that gives ore a UID and tells the client when to spawn ore based on ore limit. The client should fire to the server every time an ore is processed or destroyed, and that remove the ore from the server's knowledge base or cache of UIDs. When processing / destroying, check if the UID is even real, and then define the create ore remote inside of the server or inside of the dropper component. Before runtime or under dropper before runtime. What's what I've only ever heard of Blockbound. Bladebound is a am I more excited for Drillbit or Bladebound? Dude, you guys cannot understand. I know it sounds like I'm trolling. I know it sounds like I'm being humble. I know it sounds like guys, there are times where I'm being humble. This is not a time I'm being humble. I really, really thought drillbit was going to flop on its ass. I thought no one was gonna like drillbit. Dude, I had been looking at drillbit for 4 months, so I got like not bored of the idea, but I got drained of the idea. I felt like, man, I'm adding a bunch of content to a game that I don't even know if people are gonna think is fun. Uh, and people are really enjoying it. So I'm insanely surprised, dude. 80 players, dude. That's like triple what I thought Drillbit was gonna have, and I honestly thought Drillbit was gonna hit zero. I think my yeah my streams are doing well. Super happy for you, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah, dude, take a look. I mean, it is a wall of grain. I mean, obviously this is all inflated, but I mean, 2 days in a row and they went up. It's a wall of grain. Dude, 100. Dude, I didn't even know this shit was possible. 100th percent. I'm kidding, but that's day seven. That's day seven. That's impossible. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty nuts. Where do you get the name Dirt Monster? I thought it was funny. I thought it was really funny. Hi, Royo. Define the creator remote under the before runtime and okay. I think Foster's was better. Well, I think Foster's was really, really good. I probably will come back to Foster's at some point. Hello, Derp. Did you burp? XD. Dude, Royal, never change. Never change, brother. I gotta start running back some XDs. Do you know how I have the achievement enchanter? You know, I gotta figure that out. Because I see a lot of people are. Yeah. It's using the same. Shiny Mythics unboxed? Wait. Do you guys have Forbidden Gate? Yes, it says you have it in your thing. Oh, fuck. Watch this. Ready? Okay, fixed. Now we just gotta add the stat. I don't think this needs a stat. Yes, the shiny is just the dropper upgrade was better, but better. You haven't got a shiny mythic because it's rigged? Yeah, no, it's not. Also, I'm adding buying crystals this update. Because I'm adding furnace stuff, I'm also adding crystals. Is the is the enforced furnace the best to unbox for a shiny mythic? Oh. Oh, you motherfuckers didn't realize I was built like that. Dirt Monster, dude, Dirt Monster's a motherfucking G. Also, don't look at this. This is a leak. It's a leak in live servers. This game is such a step up from Drillbit & Co. and I love the first one. I'm glad. I'm glad you like it. Oh yeah, I guess you're right. Dude, the next crate, the legendary, is a 1 in a million. A 1 in a million. Fuck you guys. I don't give a fuck anymore. The game's too easy. The legendaries are all too easy to get. Fuck you. I'm making it, dude. Then I'll make it rare. We're gonna do adverts. I'm working with the ad guy right now. Actually, yeah, there's gonna be a new highest tier, and then the potion pack will. So don't buy new potions. If you're buying potions, don't. I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna upgrade within like the next hour or two. There's going to be a brand new tier potion you can only get that's paid. It'll be a secret tier potion, and it'll be pretty busted. You'll be able to get the rarest one for free though, or the second rarest one for free. Maybe I'll make it so it's not paid. Actually, I'll probably make it so it's not paid exclusive because I think, yeah, I won't make it paid exclusive, but it'll be hard to get. Amount of potion time is so low. Yeah, actually, it's gonna be. You're gonna get more potions this update. I promise. Who the? Let's go see what this guy's up to. What the fuck is he doing? You. Timo to Bimo. Hello, brother. Hello, brother. Welcome to the stream. Timo to Bimo, right? Siberia. I can smell your apartment. Wait, really? Does it smell bad? Oh. That's an avatar. Wow. I guess he has pride for his nation. I guess. Subsino. W fit. You look drained, do I? Okay. Add crate or remote event under the dropper before runtime. Add UID or manager create accepts UID. Add plot owned cache and plot server under settings. Dot max ore. Update, create ore, spawn C frame value, pog. Um, yes. Wait. Fire the template to the player. You moving order server? Not kind of, yeah. Yeah, I am. Do you think 30 weeks is long for an internship? That's a really good amount for an internship. Wait, 30 weeks. Wait, I think mine were 24. So 30 weeks is not bad, right? 24 weeks. Wait, no, that's a lot. That's a long time. 30 weeks. But I mean, it's nice to have. It's nice to have something that's like guaranteed 6 months or 30 weeks. Do we need the dropper name? Centering conveyor is bunion. Well, I don't give a fuck. You either get one or you don't. So no, global luck does not increase shiny or mythic chance. The only way to increase that is potion. Are you top 5 dropper game? Nah, it's probably top 0. Wait, no. That top 1 million. It's not above 999,000. Congrats on Pride Month. Oh shit, it is Pride Month.
Congratulations on Pride Month. Bit
Speaking of which,
Pride
I gotta
event.
text my landlords. All right, cool. Got my first mythic in force. Congrats, brother. New month, new rent. Well, I pay rent like a week before the month. It's not fixed or anything. I just do it because I. Okay. This thing's gonna butcher this implementation. Subquiet fracture. Why am I banned on the Discord? I don't know who you are. To be honest with you. There is a centering conveyor. I'm help sent. Name doesn't ring the bell. I don't know. I mean, if you got banned in the Discord, you probably did something bad. Because my mods don't ban people. Add create ore as a remote child under the next ore UID is an increment. Yes. Ore count currently lives for limit checks. Add ore number checks next ore increments. Okay. Remove ore, clear ore, clears player's cache. Yes, I like this. Dropper UID, ore template, ore UID. You know what, bro? We don't even need the ore template. Oh. Okay. Self-report. Thanks for letting me know. We'll be doing paid on bans for drillbit? Maybe. Maybe. No, I'm kidding. Are you banned? I just added it recently. I did that recently. Do you think Drip has imposter syndrome? No, I did for a while though. I don't anymore. With the RPG in this game, I feel pretty good. I will say sometimes when I see stuff in Showcase, like Fab's game, I get a little bit of imposter syndrome. Fab basically is one up my game. I saw this, I was like, fuck, I mean. Fab, don't make it R6. Make it R15. And then he posted his enemies, and the enemies looked even cooler. I mean, dude, this is a really good idea. Honestly, I might steal this from you. I hope you don't mind. The the direction where you're looking for your mouse, because there's still that little alert, or there's still like this. I have the spring to move you around. I love. I don't know. You guys can't see it in this, but he has like a little direction indicator. Oh, wait. Look, do you see the? I think this looks really nice, in my opinion. So I might yoink it. Hope you don't mind. Why not collab with him? Because, dude, he gains nothing out of collabing with me. Every last time I collabed with him, because we did collab, I just learned a lot from him. How I structure a lot of my code is because of him. The only shitty part about Fabulous is that he uses TypeScript. That's the only shitty part. Dude's lost. I'm kidding. Okay, I'm gonna say implement it. Fuck it. Here's what I'll do. Oh my god, dude, Fab sent me the image too. Dude, thank you, Fab. I appreciate that. Oh wait, yeah. Ox, can we use the torch from the RPG? I'll add the to the place file. I'm so excited for the RPG. It releases on Friday, I think. I hope. I'm gonna find some time to do it. I think on Wednesday is gonna be my lock-in day. I'll work on it for like 16 hours to get it done. I don't know if mine is super responsive. Oh my god. A sound impact, I feel like looks pretty nice for me, but I don't know. I don't think mine is like a good model. A really big thing is feedback, like getting that instant feedback. Uh, the hit marker comes after, so you can hit something and it'll immediately do like the impact hit or whatever, and then the hit marker comes later once the server validates it. Oh, you're talking about incoming. Yeah, I don't know if mine's that good, to be honest with you. Substepic. Stepic, are you am I talking to serial number 1 Toxic Wasteland? Is that correct? Yes, I am talking to serial number 1. Yeah, I see what you're saying. The only reason why I'm doing it is because the extra coinage. Oh shit. Oh my god. You're right. I did forget. I'll add it to the thing. Oh my fucking god, bro. Dude, Roblox, I feel like copy never works. Anyone else feel this? Where is he? Oh. No. Nothing. What the hell is this? Dude, it's the sickest torch of all time. Just make it one stud. Or 2 studs or something. Dude, this is the classic torch that came out in 2014, I think. Or 2012 or 2013. It came out with a dynamic lighting update, I think. So epic. Will there be a way to obtain potions in a new update? Yes, there will be. Okay, create ore allegedly works. So I should be able to just join the game and it immediately works. Nice. Oh, wait, this is my fault. Okay, let's see. Give items stone. Not too bad. Oh, wait. What the fuck? Oh, it's still working. Oh, it's still working. I didn't realize it wasn't done. Anyways, let's take a look. Let's see how this works. Stores it. Grabs the cash. Excellent. Oh, wow. Nice. Is favor for Codex worth it? Yes. Yes. I've already made back the money from buying this with. Okay, let's make sure. Let's see if this even works. I'm paying $100 a month. Nice. Is the game out? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it's possible for me to hit the 200. I can't even hit the 100. Because for phones it lags. Yes, an update is today. Use two codecs windows on two different computers at all times. Wait, what the fuck? I mean, this looks fine to me. Yes. I can show you if you'd like. Um, right here. Maybe not the best way, but I figured every 0.4 seconds is not that bad to check this. Actually, wait a second. The anti-stuck isn't working. It was very well in game. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I worked pretty hard on it. Or I worked, well, I didn't really work pretty hard on it, but uh, this is a result of many trial and error in the old drill bit. What the fuck? No way. Did it find the ore tag and it linked it up to... What the fuck? Dude, it is so smart. I was looking at the... Okay, so the reason why... because I linked this up to be server-sided, my assumption was it made a mistake by forgetting this ore destroy call. I thought it had to fire to the server. No. When the ore's destroyed, it checks to see if it was processed. If it wasn't processed, it fires to the server. Holy fuck. And dude, it realized that this is the callback when it's destroyed. Dude, it takes, dude, there are levels to this shit. The fact that it understood that this tag causes this function to like run, and then it knows that this is the cleanup. What the fuck? Dude, I mean, that's crazy. That is crazy bones. That is actually crazy bones. Holy. Okay, cool. Okay, so that works, I believe. And then this all does the same thing. Player doesn't equal... Yeah, good. Dude, I was talking to someone at chess club, and he's an old timer, and he was like, AI. He was like, He was like, give 50 years and maybe it'll be good. He's like, it's not even good now. And I said, are you sure? Like, have you even tried it? He's like, yeah, I've tried it. He was like, it makes bad code. I'm like, I think you're just prompting badly. And he's like, no. He's like, I've been in the industry for 30 years. He was like, my prompts are good. And I'm like, I didn't want to be that guy, but like, dude, this is the first time I've ever heard like a boomer be like actually wrong about something. Old timer. I mean, yeah, dude, he's an older guy. But dude, he went to an Ivy League school. What I believe it's called Cornell. Is that what it is? He went to Cornell, and he's like, I mean, he seems pretty smart. But dude, this one thing he was really adamant. He was like, nah, AI's not doing. He was like, it's not replacing anybody. Well, yeah, I don't know. I like maybe he's using some like esoteric language and AI can't figure it out. Like brain fuck. Okay. Now that we have this, we go to process or okay, now what we gotta do is you guys are gonna love this. Ready? We're gonna define the loot pool for now I don't know how good this is gonna be at the gate. So I'm gonna make the values not great. Sorry. So like the most common thing I think you're gonna be able to get ID. Okay. So then we'll say type equals potion and level equals 1. Yes. Dude, I think it's already so the most common things you'll get from this. Do you use any module? Yeah, profile store and replica. But I don't recommend it. Two thousand, 2000, 2000. You'll get crystals rarely. 100. This is gonna be unbox speed. Why don't you? Because I don't trust them. Okay, let's do 6,050, 6,095, 5 divided by 6,095. Every 1,000 ore, you get a big amount of crystals. It's got to be less common. Every 2,000 ore, you get a big thing. It's got to be even less common. Every 4,000 ore. I know it sounds like, oh wait, 4,000 ore, whatever. Dude, that's like, no, it's got to be even less. Because then what happens is there's a luck formula. So as you get unbox luck or loot furnace loot luck, you'll get more better stuff. We could maybe do 10,000 here. Well, it doesn't matter anymore because um you could farm. You will have a chance to get an item every time you burn an ore, yeah. Yes, update will be out today. I'm using the same loot effect that I have in the RPG. It'll like pop out and it'll have like a little sound effect. Okay, so you'll be able to get level 1 potions most of the time. So I think we'll also define local max drops per minute equals 10, maybe? 5? 10? 10? Can you get secrets from crates? Um, uh, maybe one day. Sorry. I think I completely didn't even. I thought you were saying, can you get a secret from this? I said, and I was thinking maybe one day there would be you go get items from this. Sorry. No, you can't. You can't get secrets from any crate. There's only 3 crates with secrets. Yeah, I don't like the constant keyword. It doesn't feel Lua. I don't wanna. I don't want to encourage their bad behavior, so they don't. I'm not using it. Yeah, look. So stupid. So stupid, bro. They got some dumbass interns trying to do shit over there. I know, that's all they want. They might as well just use TypeScript. It's it's real luck. I gotta fix it. I don't actually know how to fix it, to be honest with you. I'm glad you like it, Altero. Well, const, I don't think you can redefine the variable. Looking good, thanks, Ice Blue. Hey, this is a commission. Okay, so we have our first loot chance, we have our drop chance, we do random. If random is above drop chance and we return, that means you didn't roll one. And then otherwise we will fire to client the loot. We'll make a collect function, I think. And then we'll have to do like local outbound player drops, like this. And then we'll also say if the length of outbound player drops is greater than or equal to max drops per minute, or player drops player doesn't equal nil, and player drops player is greater than or equal to max drops per minute, then return end. Okay. Actually, wait. This is all we gotta do. And we could also do... We clone this because we're about to modify it. Reward.amount, currency.amount equals math.random. Cool. Cool. Then we fire the loot to the client, and then we'll have an on collect, which will add to their player. And that's it. Ox, you there? Mr. Ox? I don't mean to put you on the line, or put you on you think maybe you could crank out a little item? Like within an hour? Maybe? Could you make like a I imagine some like Goliath ugly bullshit like Frankenstein thing for loot drops? It'd be really cool if there's like a secret item you can get that's like super rare. I mean, I would make it incredibly rare. So this would be, make sure to ask for 20% extra in payment. If you don't, if you can't, no worries. I was just thinking out loud. It's like, what do you mean? I sort of imagine like, because you'll get these rewards from processing ore. So I imagine like what this item would look like is like a bunch of bullshit ores stuck together, and it's like a monster almost, like some disgusting, gross looking item that like no one fucking likes, but it's like kind of good. Like I think it'd be kind of sick. You know what I'm saying? Because all the ores being processed in the furnace. So like the concept is, or the concept for me in my head, it could be a dropper, or it could be an upgrader. Probably, I was thinking dropper to be honest with you, like a golem. Oh my god, golem dropper, something like that. It could be a dropper, but it could also be anything. Like it doesn't have to be anything. Yeah, like the amalgamation. I like that. Like that's sort of the concept I have in my head. If you can't, I'm. Does it need a mythic? Uh, yeah, it probably would. It probably would. It probably would. If you can't get it done by the update, no worries. I'm gonna be working for a couple hours, I think, before this update. So yeah, no worries. I said an hour. I don't know how long this is gonna take, because there's a couple things left on the to-do list before I push. Thank you, Ox. Yeah, no worries if you can't get out. I know I just put you on the spot in front of everybody. It's a 1 in 300 million, and that is a raw 300 million. It will be the rarest item in the game. But I think it becomes a little more common. Nah, fuck it. 1 in 3 billion. Wait. One in 600 million. One in 750 million. I like that. I like that. I like that. And that's no luck. Cucks. What was that chance for? A super rare item in Furnace Loot. It's up to 10 times a second, 10 times per minute, and it will come from Moria. Was it dedicated achievement max? I think 14 days or 30 days. Yeah, no one can drop farm. Sorry, guys. It would be secret. Yeah. But I mean, this one could be a little bit of a weird secret. Like I know all the secrets are super extravagant or whatever, because this one's like a mess. Like it can be whatever. Like it doesn't have to be like. Thank you, Ox. This might be a codex salute codex time. No, the upgrade increases how much your chance is. The base luck is 1 in 50. With the upgrade, it's a 1 in 10 chance. So every 10 ore, you'll have a chance to get it. Fuck it. You know what I'll do as well? Yes. So you'll be able to get potions, crystals, yeah, for free. No. Well, oh no, that's what I'm doing. I'm changing the max drops now. Because that's a good idea. So Big Den. Right now it's 4. I mean, honestly, getting UD, can I post on your server? Probably not. Sorry, man. You can post a video of it, but if it's like a download, probably not. What's the actual max? It could be infinite. Like I could add. I think 6 before your screen is too big, or it's too big on your screen. No, I'll never add save slots. Like Pix? Oh yeah, of course. Then sorry, I do a 1,000 slot roll. Okay. We'll go stab resolver. You probably won't even be able to see it, to be honest with you. This is gonna lag. Okay, let me dial it back. What do you guys think? Game Pass when? Do you guys remember when PetSim did the 16 pets? Sapphire's supposed to be legendary. I don't know why it's an epic. You can make a potion that adds temporary slots. Oh my god. Wait. I'll make it a rare chance to come from the furnace, and you can buy it in the potion pack. No fucking way, dude. Good comms. Good comms. Phenomenal comms. Okay, we'll grab this. Dude, it's this easy. Ready? Unbox slots. $2:40. 4 minutes. Right? Or should it be 5 minutes? What do you guys think? 5 minutes, probably. Okay, I guess it's multiply. I don't know why. Can I ping you on put in showcase? You just put in showcase. I can check it out later. Alright, let's go over here. Oh my god. Make it red? Yeah, I'll make it red. Wait, the potion icons? I did. I'm kidding, I commissioned them. Holy, the dark. Okay, we'll do that. And then, let me find my admin command. Or let me go stat resolver. Get potion value. Alright, PAG. So now it should work. It says multiply, it's not like multiply. That is a cosmetic. This is a remnant of something old. I could probably get rid of it. It was supposed to do, or it was supposed to use that as a key, but I changed it. Okay. Can I, is it give all consumables? No. No, there'll never be a crystal multiplier upgrade. You guys already get the one. Wait, do I not have a consumables command? Bruh. Make a new admin command that gives me all consumables. Oh wait, I know how to do that. I mean, I guess I'll do it. We found the potion icons. I found them on Game Maker. And then we'll do game config or potion. Okay, and then when we go to premium or monetization or premium shop. Yes. I guess you're right, yeah. We could ask it too. I don't know why it's not. Why the image is off. Okay. For premium shop. This is sort of annoying. Why isn't that fucking pasting? Stupid fucking thing. Sorry. I do the same type of content. Why don't I get views? I don't know. I think these people are here out of pity. Alright, let's see if this works. Fuck. Okay, so we hide this. Ready? Dude, shit. Fuck. Get off my screen. Get off. Get off. Get off. Okay. Ready? Oh my god, it works. Oh my god. Check the timer though? What? Because Command R is made by an idiot, and Conch is also made by an idiot, and I don't use stuff made by idiots. Fuck it. Let's just get a quick castle. Quick flow castle. Come on. Sapphire is supposed to be legendary. I'm fixing it. Come on. Oh shit, I got a rebirth. Fuck. Okay, 106 luck. With 5 rebirths. Or 5 rolls. Yes. Possibly more common. You'll be getting way more in the next update. Let's say you get 10 every sec or 20 every second. That means 4 uncommon every minute. So then 20 uncommon would be 5 minutes. So then you get 1 rare every 20 minutes. And then you get 1 epic every 5 hours. Or no, every hour 20 minutes. And then you'll get 1 legendary every 7 hours and 20 minutes. And you get 1 secret. Yes, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Can I please get a fucking castle? Oh wait, I got one. Wait, is it not showing up correctly? Did I not get it? I feel like I would have noticed. Oh. Yeah, I will. I will at some point. Thanks, Hollow Rift. Appreciate the reminder. Yo, what do we think? Good first thumbo? You think you click on it? It's one of our testers. Just want to see if it works. No black background? I don't know. I figured all black background is bad. What would you guys change it to? Anything? And I'm gonna say Can we also see how the background looks without the black? Okay, this guy's gonna be in the thumbnail. Hope you don't mind. I know I should. I should do that, to be honest with you. Jesus. How much is 66,000 seconds? Or 60,000 seconds? That's 16 hours. What the fuck? Dude, this guy is incredibly unlucky. 520,000 boxes, and he doesn't even have one secret. You want me to format this? What the fuck is this? Bruh. Man, what the... Yeah, secrets are actually rare. I have a format time. I was too lazy. I was just too lazy to. All right, he sent this. He sent this. What do you guys think? Better? Maybe make it darker. Thoughts? Is slightly darker. But it doesn't fit the game, in my opinion. Well, it doesn't matter. It's supposed to. We're supposed to try to pull people in. You pay for that? Well, I'm getting edits now. I will eventually pay for it. Droppers blend in too much. Hmm. I don't like making horror games. I don't like horror in general. Yeah, I mean, I think this needs a black outline. Maybe this needs to be darker in the back. All right, we'll see. We'll see. We'll make edits to it. Oh, dude, he's listening to you guys. I think he's here. All right, let's see. He sent the black vignette. What the fuck is this? No. Yes. What? Hold. Yo, no way. Look what's in my rec. Bottom right. I don't think it looks that bad, to be honest with you. Like I think it does stand out. Maybe the text needs to have some black outline. I think the background is bad. Let's see what it looks like with the black. Okay, yeah, the black is bad. Um, cool. The AI slop does not look good. Yeah, I think his is better. Nope. I think maybe it just needs a background. I think this needs a stroke. Dude, maybe we should do something like this as well. You should do droppers that aren't completely gray. Well, all the droppers are gray. The droppers don't stand out. I mean, I don't know, maybe. Like, you think we color them? Ox is gonna be angry. He'll tell Happy. Dude, Ox is fine. There will be colorful droppers. Uh, tricky. It's tricky, yeah. Let me see. Let's look for inspo. Dropper Empire. Oh, I know this game. Steak RNG. I'm hesitant in a bit. I gotta think about it, to be honest with you. I think I think you guys are right that the droppers do blend in quite a bit, but I don't know what else. Like I don't know I don't know what to like what edit to ask for, to be honest with you. I sort of just don't like the idea. I like it, I think the idea was better in theory. Let me try something real quick. I'm not gonna do the whole thing. I mean, yeah, the stroke makes it look a lot better. Yeah, I'm gonna do like 5 thumbnails. Why does it pick your dropper? It's supposed to entice people to click. Well, unbox is longer. Pick implies it's a choice. Your implies that it's your like it's you have ownership of it. I mean, the more I look at it, the more I don't think it's that bad. Like I think it's an okay trial. Especially with the stroke, it looks better. Change background. Yeah, I think I'm gonna ask for a black stroke, and then I'll say, can you try grass baseplate with skybox and stroke around it? And then I'll probably do with I might do A/B test with I could ask him for all 3 copies. I don't think he'd mind. We'll do black, this, and then whatever. It's just good to have. I honestly, I think just from my perspective, having a little thing that's clickable is nice. Giving people a choice is also really good, and then showing like what the game is also good, in my opinion. I wish everyone didn't use AI artwork and had to actually make images like they used to. I guess, yeah. Who's a dropper? Well, I think pick rolls off the tongue a little better. You can always use AI. Well, we have ideas. Like we've already come up with a couple ideas. We're just sort of like whenever you guys do ads for your games, whenever you guys release your games, or if you already have and maybe you're looking for like ads, this is a pretty normal process. Like I know some of you were like, you're paying for that. Like there's a process to get something that you like. Um, so there's always like an edit period, and you go back and forth, and you collaborate with the artist and try to figure out like what's good. Sorry, no. You weren't the only one. I'm just saying out loud. So John. Well, my computer's good. Also, I don't have data stores on ever. Oh wait, I guess I do have data stores. I think I'm using a mock profile, and I think mock prevents data stores. Okay. This was that slow. They can. I mean, they add some wait time. Okay. I forgot what I was even working on. Oh, furnace loot. Oh, well, actually, I gotta. Okay, so okay, ready? Here's the MCP. Yeah. Okay, potion pack now contains all top tiers of potions and an unboxed slot potion. Thanks, Uni. Okay, money cap increased to 50 quintillion. A new crate is now obtainable. You must discover it somewhere on the map. Furnace loot, earn potions and crystals for free by processing ore and maybe something better. New potion, unbox slot potion. New tier potions, even stronger. Some bullshit monetization stuff. You will not finish where you left off. Okay, this is done. Okay, we still have a lot to do. Okay, let's make the furnace loot, or let's make the unbox slot. How many items remain in the new crate? 4. No, 5. Oh, and then also, if you guys are unboxing the Periastron right now, the Periastron crate, I would stop because it's all getting removed from your inventory next update. No, it luck does have effect on it. Thanks, Derp, for what? You obviously bought the same deodorant to give me hints, and it's Pride Month. What? To give you hints. Yeah. Fuck no, baby. There's red. Thanks, Kinder. It didn't add shit. Dude, I'm actually so angry. I was gonna do it myself. Fuck. So annoying. Yeah, Stone Huffington is the final price. Yeah, it will be really hard to get a lot of. That's the goal. I haven't looked. I haven't looked at submissions in a bit. Sabida. No, no new rebirths. New rebirth every 2 weeks. I still have to change it. I gotta sort these. I don't know why they're not sorted. How do you increase lock? Oh, wait, did I get it? Yes! These will all be busted as fuck. How's the fire requirement going? It's alright. It's up to 80, I think. Yeah, 85. Yeah, game's doing well too, which is pretty good. When's the update? Hopefully in like the next couple hours. So annoying. Yeah, I made my own building system. Okay. We go to blade bound. We do drop, render. There's stat resolver do. It replicates all the stats from the client to the server, or the server to the client. From the badges, it looks like half the people that played have rebirthed. Wait, really? What the fuck? 1,800 have played, 900 have rebirthed. That's pretty crazy. That's really cool, actually. The retention is phenomenal. Guru, I'm sure you'd enjoy this. Take a look at this, bro. Dude. I mean, dude, this shit's fucking insane. I've never seen anything like it. I mean, it's inflated, but we'll see how long it lasts. Dude, day one average. Dude, day one's even worse. Day one has a 100 in here. But we're not getting home racks, which is why this is 0. It's funny how 0% is always 12th for some reason. Like, that implies that someone has worse. Someone's at negative. And the games make quite a bit. Take a look. So that's the first 72 hours of the game. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it's just it's I'm just lucky because of existing dribble players and people that watch the stream. Yeah, I know. RPG is coming up too. I'll have 2 games, which I'm sort of excited about. Dude, finally, I've went all year without a game. I've released 2 in January, both flopped, and now I've got these 2. Dude, Leaf didn't lit shit under me. Dude, fuck Leaf. That guy's a cucklord. Don't gloat so happy has something to say about it. Dude, um, Happy hasn't responded to the. Is Happy like busy or something? He hasn't responded to the investor. Guys, can you be nice about Happy? I'm in the office and just asked him. For those that don't know, Z actually got hired under Happy. So we're both working for him. Yeah. Well, Happy owns 95%. And you work for that? Yeah, dude. I'm happy. Honestly, I'm just happy making games, and he pays me in like little bonuses every so often. So it's not the end of the world. Well, how he sold it to me is that if the game makes $1 million, then I'll make $50,000. Which I mean, that seems like a pretty good deal to me. Does the contract expire? No. What's he doing in return? He does like he's dealing with the investors. Like, take a look. This is what he's up to right now. He hasn't responded to this investor in 2 days, but he'll get to it. Well, thanks, Guru. Appreciate it. Yo, what's up, Bud Dev? How you doing, brother? Good to see you. Are you show a lot of show stuff on Happy on stream? My character says Justice goes on everything. I don't know. Actually, I didn't read my contract. Yo, how many crystals does everyone have? Dude, Joseph. Joseph, are you here, bro? Dude, congrats, motherfucker! Joseph just got the Toxic Wasteland. Dude, I gotta order groceries. Fuck. Do you have enough for groceries? Don't forget your eggs. I know. Actually, let's pick it out together, dude. I gotta get a bunch of spices. I used all of it last night. All right, so oh my god, guys, so many good options. I think I'm gonna get some salt and vinegar chips. Mmm. We'll get some salmon. We'll get I have blueberries. I have peanut butter. I have. We'll get some eggs, obviously. What next? I need some butter. I need cumin. Sylvia, you're doing what? Okay. Next up. I have milk, eggs. Maybe I get some bacon. Dude, fuck, a little bit of bacon. Dude, a little bit of bacon and eggs this morning. Thoughts? What do we think? Applewood smoked uncured bacon. Oh my, I lost. Oh my god, that shit sounds so good. Applewood? I don't even know what the fuck that means. Okay, so we got bacon. I gotta get bananas. I was delayed, maybe too hungry. Wait, what? You said Applewood is ass? Ew, look what Ox is making. Ox fucked up the game. Just kidding. It tastes like sweet bacon? I know, that's good. Okay, what else? I made tacos last night. Dude, I gotta make some tacos right now. I already have eggs. Should I get some frijoles? Oh, sorry about that. I meant beans. Sorry. Sometimes when I'm talking, I just a little bit of Spanish comes out. No, I didn't eat my floor eggs. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, we got 6 bananas, some bacon, cumin, butter, white eggs, salmon, and some salt and vinegar chips. I got Cheerios. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Check out. I want you guys to guess. I'm gonna help you guys become financially literate. Guess how expensive that was. Guess how expensive that was. I'll go through the list again, and you have to guess. Okay, ready? Salt and vinegar chips. I get $1 off discount. Uh, salmon, eggs, 18 count, butter, some spice, organic cumin, applewood smoked bacon, and 6 bananas. USD, US dollars. Dude, wait, Sylvie might have an accurate guess. Dude, Sylvie's crazy, crazy close. 49, 34, 34, 52, 86. 5286 is the final total. I'm surprised at how cheap the eggs are, though. Dude, 18 eggs. Guess how expensive? Dude, $2.14. It's like nothing. Yo, what's the difference between cumin and ground cumin? Which one am I supposed to buy? Because it just said, are you sure you don't want ground cumin? What the fuck is that? Get ground? Okay, my fault. Okay, let me get rid of it. Edit. Can I can I not can I get this off my thing? Okay, I got it. No, fuck. If out of stock, replace with the shitty version. Are you do IRL grocery? No. Sometimes I do IRL grocery shopping, but I'm not leaving today, so no. This looks good to me. Dude, all skids are gonna be they're gonna be struggling with this new update because all their code is gonna break. My ore isn't processing. Why? You guys gonna have to learn a little bit. This is what CLV does. CLV, what's it called when you maintain your exploits because the owner keeps changing shit? Do people I just know you have 100 viewers. Are you botted or do people really love you? They love me. I added one check to see if the game exists. What's the name of your game? It's called Drillbit. I can send you the link if you'd like. Also, do you guys want me to add 2x luck whenever I'm live? Or maybe 1.5x luck? I'll do 1.5x. Yes? Okay, I will. Instant ban if the road doesn't have an argument? Dude, I thought the same thing. I'm doing that. That's in this update. It's a 1.6x, if you're curious. No prayer segment? There will be a prayer segment. Give it a second after I get my food. I can show you all the stats. Dog upgrader is 1.6, cat is 1.6, and sword height is 2.2. So it comes out to be in total when you get that 1.6 times 2.2, a 5.6 upgrade. What's the update? I'm adding furnace loot. Um, I'm adding furnace loot, new potion, new crate, and a couple quality of life. Can you do today's Wordle? Yeah. Plank. Lousy. Liter. Fuck. Child. I mean, what the fuck? Chill. What the? Oh my god. No fucking way. No fucking way. Dude. That is funny. Dude, maybe it's a sign. Maybe I'll make some tonight. Because it's still work. It's still whip. Yeah, there's gonna be a new crate today's update. New secret in it? Yep. And a new legendary that might as well be a secret. It's like a pseudo secret. Take a look. 1 in a million. It does come with the 2 upgraders. 500 quadrillion. 500 quadrillion is too high. Sorry, bro. It's a reach price. People are already making 150 trillion per ore. So you'll get 500 quadrillion pretty fast. No rebirth, not today. Who the fuck is making 150 trillion per ore?
Unlock the next level of my destiny. Father, I ask specifically for the breaking of any generational curses that have hindered the guidance of my bloodline. If my ancestors walked in confusion, wandering, or idolatry, I draw a bloodline in the sand today. It stops with me. I declare that I and my house will serve the Lord. I and my house will hear the voice of God. I break the cycle of bad decisions and repeated failures. I plead the blood of Jesus over my DNA. I redeem my lineage from the curse of aimlessness.
Amen.
I declare that a new
Wait. Okay, y'all ready? Um, my players do leave. Okay, this looks right. What the fuck is this doing? Oh, I see. Joe, I'm supposed to hang out with people today? I don't want to. What do I do? Do I A, pretend I'm sick? B, tell them the truth and say, I don't really feel like it today? Hmm. See link stream. C go? No. Well, dude, it's supposed to be a drinking thing, and I don't drink, and so like I'd be the only one that's not drinking, and I don't really know these people that well. I sort of just said yes. Maybe I spark up while I'm with them. Drop render isn't even being required. Well, I just don't know. I don't know what kind of like drinkers these people are. Like, I don't know if like they're gonna get really drunk and I'm gonna be the only one that's like sober around a bunch of drunk people, or if it's gonna be like a recreational kind of drink thing. You know what I'm saying? Because recreational doesn't really matter. Are these not your friends? Well, I know them through chess club. I know them through chess club, and you can't become friends with someone that like without hanging out with them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've never really done anything outside of chess club with them. No, it's not a mom. Okay, so for some reason, this isn't fucking firing. You have solution in the top right? Because you said that, I'm not fucking using it. Asshole. Is there multiple drop renders? No. Okay, hold up. I'll make my life easier for debugging this. Inventory is not going to be added this update. I don't play games, no. Oh my god. Dude, look at this AI code. Dude. Like, what the fuck are we doing? Dude. I do spear Minecraft. Hey, Lois, right? I played K2? No, I haven't. I've never heard of it. What the fuck? Holy extra lag for mobile? Dude, you guys just look at things and think, oh wow, it's gonna be laggy. Dude, you're fucking brain dead. I like how, dude, you don't even give it a chance. You don't even give it a chance, you just call it laggy. Fucking idiot. Any tips on learning scripting? Everything this chat doesn't say. No, I'm just kidding. Learn to Google. But this will get rewards soon. Yes, it'll be this update. Plots. Look at that. Well, it's only gonna be on your device, and yes, it disappears after 60 seconds. We can watch. Also, look, give a max. Hansel, you're embarrassing yourself. Just let it die, bro. Yeah, you're not getting. I'm not. You're not getting crystals right now with this though. There you go. See. Anything you're not satisfied with the game? I wish it was a little bit more complete and there were less bugs, but simplicity. If it was 3D, I'd have to make cool maps. If it's 2D, it's pretty simple. Dribbles bi-weekly, but the first week is gonna be a lot of updates and like fixes. You're really not getting any crystals here. It's Netro. You'll get it for processing ore. Is it dropping XP? No, it's dropping potions. Here's the thing. RPGs are one of the most content heavy games that you can ever have. By making a 3D RPG, it only ups the amount of work that you have to do and content you have to do. It's already a lot of work to balance an RPG, to add items, to add content that makes people enjoy it or whatever. By adding in a 3D element and even like upping the ante and making good maps or anything, uh makes the load per update way higher than it needs to be. With the 2D, it's very simple. You could crank out a 2D map in like 15 minutes. But with like a really nice looking map, you either got to commission somebody and you don't know how long they'll take, or you have to make it yourself, and that could take who knows how long. Yeah, I'm not doing armor either. I mean, I have armor, but it only gives health. Our looks better, but you get paid. Uh, Roblox pays you 50% more if you have R15 in your game. Only R15. Yeah, only R15. Would I go to RDC if they invited me? I don't know. Maybe. Um, yeah, I would imagine Leaf is doing only R15 in his game. If you're trying to make Roblox like your primary source of income, I mean it's a no-brainer to make your stuff R15. Why would you not? Mike has 50 quadrillion. I love R6 as much as the next guy. In fact, I wish my top down was R6, but 50 quintillion isn't a lot. I know, but I still want to limit people from going infinite. It'll increase over time. I found R6 animations on the toolbox and I converted them to R15. Sub 7Z. Yeah, but you can still use uh the animations. I only my attack animation is the R6 converted, but I think they're implying like a walk animation needs to be. Yeah. They are R15. You take an R6 animation and you convert it to R15, so it modifies. Roblox has a plugin for this. Roblox has a plugin for this because they want people on R15. You just find an R6 animation you like, and then you can convert it to R15. I think you're wrong, Kinder. It doesn't make sense that they would that they would make a tool for it, and then you would get punished for using that tool. Are Telper's gonna come back? Maybe. Is looping going to come back? Probably not. Probably not. I'm probably gonna disable looping. I just don't think looping isn't part of the game, like part of what I want the game to be. Let me see my groceries are here. All right. We need to add a drop notification, and we need to go to an old version of this place. How do you even go to an old version? Place history? Anybody know? Version history. We need to go like 3 months ago. Whoa, what the fuck? I kind of miss looping, not gonna lie. I don't care. The point of the game should be making cool setups. It shouldn't be about. Oh, no fucking way. Are we fucking serious? We an ore washer? Um, I think you guys will be very pleased next update. Like in 2 weeks. Alright. This is almost done, then we can post a little leak. A little leaky leak. Is Toad music getting added? I actually gotta see if I'm allowed to do that at some point. When is the update actually coming out today? If I had the time, I would tell you, bro. I say soon every time, or I say soon because it is coming out soon today, but I couldn't tell you when. Hard to pay to win items count the index. They should be hidden, but they do count. Uh, I mean, you are paying for it. I have not decided. Rebirth 5 is not even in development right now. I mean, if you, I think the best game passes are the double luck and unbox speed. Oh, and double unbox. Let me see. No, those are not the highest game passes. They're actually the cheapest. 320, 320, 320. Well, classic is a temporary good one. You idiot proof. I bought the cat and dog separate and then had to pay 800 more. Is it is it I thought it literally says you also get the cat and dog. Uh Bundle will probably be gone. What's the RPG sound for loot? Let me see. I could use that. Scared the fuck out of me, sorry. Well, this one, yeah, I mean, this sound will be mutable, but why does this sound so weird? No, varying the pitch makes it sound bad. That's what it just was. That's why it was weird. What the fuck? Why is the stack not removing? That's so bad? Dude, I'm fucking changing it. Okay, I'm banning this guy. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Complain one more time. Complain one more time. Fucking idiots. Dude, motherfuckers watch a game in development and then complain when it's in development. Fucking morons. Oh my god. Dude, why are people so stupid? I don't know. It makes me sad. It's just tween transparency. You guys are so dumb. That's it. I think. That's it. You only get the upgrader. I can share some sound effects, dude. Don't ban me again. What? What was that? I like this one better for this game. For the currency, we don't need it. Can I ban him again? Is he back? Oh. Alright. What the? Alright, Fook. See you, man. Okay, so in general, this is not how it's gonna actually be. So we gotta go to stat resolver ref, make this 0, and then This is a pretty hard nerf to looping. I think. Maybe not. It's custom. All right. Not bad. Dude, I was wondering why my window feels so small. Dude, I'm on average laptop. Dude, much better. Yeah, I do not. do not mess with laptops. I think I'm gonna finish this off stream. I'll be honest, I'm just annoyed. I didn't realize school was out yet. So, all right, bye guys. I'll see you.